What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Christmas Skipper from the Penguins of Madagascar. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down toward the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle, and then line that up on the right. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil, and we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now let's move in between the eyes. Start with a point. We're going to draw the top edge of the beak. Let's start with the left. We're going to come down around the eye, and then bend that up, go back to the center, and do the same thing on the right. Let's draw the edge of the mouth, starting back on the left, coming down across the middle, and then up. And we'll draw the bottom of the beak, starting back on the left, coming down, across, and then bend that up. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to draw the bottom edge of the hat. So let's go all the way over to the left side. We're going to bend this up, and then back down. Let's round out the side of the hat brim, like a large bracket, coming around and in. And we'll close off the top with that same curve. Now from here, we're going to draw the outside edge of the head. Let's start from the bottom corners of the hat, bend this out, go straight down towards the bottom of the neck. Now I'm going to go back and add those patches around the eyes. Starting on top of the left eye, we're going to curve this down and then in towards the middle, bend this up and then out underneath. Now we're going to fill that area in black. Let's move out to the side. We're going to add a point, coming down and in, go around the corner of the beak, and then down towards the side of the head. Now we're going to fill those areas in black as well. From the base of the neck, we're going to cross the arms in the center of the body. Let's start back from the left. Round out the arm, come down and in towards the elbow, go to the right and do the same thing, coming around and then in towards the same height. Now over on the left side, we're going to cross this arm on top, coming in and then up towards the top, bend this up and then down towards the elbow. Let's go back to the right elbow. Just going to tuck this up underneath in the middle. Now you see the right hand on top of the left forearm. So right here, we're going to curve this up and then bend that down. Let's go to the base of the neck. We're just going to curve this in and then down on either side. Along the top of the left forearm, we're going to draw the edge of the sleeve. We're going to go across and then down, step down, and draw it again for the bottom of the trim. Now on the right arm, we're just going to see the bottom edge coming down. Let's fill these two areas in black. Let's move down underneath the arms and draw on the body. We're going to start on the left, curve this out, come down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right, going out, down, and in towards the same height. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Now, underneath the arms in the center, we're going to draw on the belt buckle. Let's start with a straight line going across the top, come down the sides, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's trace that buckle along the inside. From the top corners of the buckle, we're going to step down, bend the belt going out, and then up toward the side of the body. From the bottom corners, step up and do the same thing. Now just up above the buckle, we're going to draw two straight lines going up underneath the arms. Let's go down towards the bottom in the center, curve this down, and then up towards the side. Now let's tuck the feet in underneath the body. We're going to leave a large gap in the center, go to the left side. We want to bend the foot coming down and then out. Let's draw the top of the first toe, go up and then in. Now there are 2 more toes in behind. So halfway along this line, going out, go up and in. Do that one more time, coming up and then in towards the side of the body. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Start with that first toe. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw on the hat. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to curve this up, go across, then bring that down on the right side of the head. Let's add a circle along the bottom. I'm just going to tuck this up underneath, going to the side of the head. Then we'll add a fold on the right side. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. This Christmas skipper from the Penguins of Madagascar. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.